What a result. These are the great days, aren't they, Martin? Man City, the champions here, and not just beaten, but really well beaten, 5-1.
Yeah, it was a top game, top performance, and yeah, with the fans, the atmosphere, and in the end, the score sheet like that is, can't be better, so very happy.
Kai, how did you do it?
Yeah, I think we managed to press them quite well, didn't give them much time. I mean, still they're a top team and sometimes they beat the press, but I think our energy was good. We used our chances and at the end I think it was a good game.
So you two are absolutely key to that press, leading that press. What is key to getting that right? You know, like going, but maybe not going too early, luring them in, that kind of thing?
I think it's the timing, you know. I mean, we train it a lot of times and I think it's not only us two, it's everyone. I think when we push and go to the defensive players, everyone needs to push through, and I think the energy there is very important. And obviously we are the first ones to press, but the rest of the team, they're doing it excellent as well.
And of course it all started with you two, Kai laying on your goal for you, Martin. Just a word for Kai. I mean, you all love him, you can hear the crowd love him. How important is he to this team?
Yeah, massive impact again today. You know, you see everything he does. He score again, assist. He's always there. You know, with and without the ball, massive impact. So yeah, top player. So yeah, good to have him in the team.
Yeah, pleased to see the goal go in, obviously. But I mean, I won't go into too many history books, but you've had to wait a little bit for the goal.
Yeah, yeah, it was about time. It was good, you know. And after we didn't stop, we just kept on going. And in the end, I think we got what we deserved. And yeah, it was a good one.
Okay, lovely, confident finish for your goal. How did you feel seeing that go in?
Yeah, it was nice. I think I was a bit frustrated from the chance of the first half, so I thought to myself, I need to score one. And yeah, when I saw it going in, obviously I was very happy.
Did you just, when Martin was talking about you, did you just say not enough, something like that when Martin was talking? Just as Martin was talking about you a second ago.
No, I said it's enough because he was so positive about me.
Yeah, you're quite a partnership, you two, aren't you, Martin?
Yeah, we have a good connection. You know, we understand each other. You know, I know where he wants the ball and where he wants to move, and yeah, intelligent player. You know, so it's good to play with him, and yeah, not just him, the whole team. I think we have a great connection. You know, everyone, and we know each other so well now, and yeah, you can really see that on the pitch.
Well done, guys. Brilliant.
Thank you.